that
It did. It
there
would
were
have
so many
taken place.
credentials. When I got her credentials, actually, there were so many credentials that it will take one session is for her credentials. On national
Oh my
player.
God.
Sir, this 1 hour is not sufficient. We want to
Yeah.
listen to more examples.
Yeah, she is going
Yes,
on
Not
this.
yes.
sufficient time.
Yeah,
It's
she'll
not
be going
enough.
with
We need
this.
a more.
Yeah, ma'am will be
Sir,
taking. So national player softball 12 times, cricket 4 times, international coach of
Sir,
softball.
arrange for 11th and 12th also. What are
Resource person for CBSE, CUE. And she was, I think, ma'am,
Oh
you were
my
also
God.
in the new committee of MSCRT, Bal Bharat and all that. And 32 years of sports experience, 26 years in education. That's absolutely
Wow.
amazing.
Oh my God.
Can you hear
Amazing,
me?
sir.
So humble
Great.
and down to earth.
Absolutely, absolutely amazing. I mean, that's why we decided that she is the best resource person for social sciences, and in fact, not only for social sciences, we'll have lots of programs. Mridula ma'am, keep yourself free for us. We'll be having lots of sessions. Okay, ma'am, we'll start.
Please allow me to share, sir.
11th and 12th
Yes,
also.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll start. Yes, ma'am. Now we'll start. Thank you.
All right, so let's continue. We're talking about geography. So I was just talking to you about how Maharashtra and Odisha. Now I'm talking about Maharashtra and Odisha again and again because I belong to Maharashtra. Please adapt this for your states, your own state and your paired state, right? So if you ask children to take a virtual tour, since this was the pandemic year, I mentioned virtual tour of any famous museum, one in Maharashtra and one in Odisha, and then compare and contrast. And also ask children to use clay to make replicas of the weapons that they have seen over there, the armor that was used, tools, implements, make puppets, okay, and their costumes. The contemporary warriors or the kings, you could make puppets and then their costumes, and then you have stage, write a short drama and then perform. Okay, that is stage or theater, performing art. That comes under performing arts.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, ma'am, we are a foreign school, so here students, they are from different countries. So, I mean, if we are doing the project, so like the Indian students, whatever state they belong to, they can have a project with the paired state. What about the students of other nationals?
Yes. Matthew, sir, would you like to take that question?
Yeah. Actually, for the foreign schools, they have made an exception in this regard. So only it is mandatory for the Indian states to follow that. So you can do accordingly, ma'am. You can, as per it's not mandatory for the foreign schools.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And I have one more suggestion, ma'am. So
Yes,
if you, I'm sure you have Indian students, although they
Yeah,
this
we
must
do
be
have
foreign.
Indian.
Yes. So if the Indian student belongs to, let's say, for example, Kerala, then that child can definitely make a project for Himachal Pradesh and Kerala, the paired state. If the child is from Delhi, then Delhi and Sikkim. That is one way. Or you can, divide different groups, the class into different groups and give them a paired state, one pair to each group.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
as long as there is uniformity, no harm in going ahead. That's just a suggestion.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
My pleasure. Yes.
Thank you very much, sir, as well.
Change the slide. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So this is one of the most beautiful examples. Again, I really like this one because we all know Orissa for this great festival celebration that they have. This is called as the Ratha Yatra. So the Ratha Yatra happens in Orissa and the Kumbh Mela also. But what people may not know is there is something called as Palki procession in Maharashtra. Kumbh Mela also happens at Nashik in Maharashtra. This one happens once in 12 years. But these are all grand celebrations where not just thousands but lakhs of people come together. So what is this about? One must know the culture and the roots, the tradition that is followed in one's own state. So this is really beautiful. If you can give a project, see, this is taking care of the paired state again. It is taking care of history and geography as well. How? You ask them the place of celebration. So the location, the distance from the capital state, capital city or something like that. The deity that is worshipped, which god or goddess. Why are they doing it? What is the faith? What is the number of people who gather over there? If the number is so large, then how is the event managed? What about their safety? What about the hygiene? What about the water and food? Right? What about the medical facilities that are provided, the cleanliness, the number of washrooms, how many days does this go on for, right? And ultimately, what is the media coverage that they get? Is the government and the bureaucracy also playing a role in this? There's so many aspects to it. And what are the effects on environment? Then you ask them to make a wall magazine of the events that will run across the school wall. So again, I am saying these are examples. You can modify it as per your need and comfort. Now let's move ahead to another subject. Now, social issues. Again, pairing of states. Social issues in Maharashtra. I have written Maharashtra, you write the name of your state. Ask the children to write, first of all, to author, to create a street play, and then depict what should be there in the street play, depict the social issues of the concerned state. So it could be unemployment, it could be the plight of farmers. Now see Haryana, what is happening? What is happening in Punjab? So can they depict this with the help of a street play? Yes, they can. Uncontrolled migration, a big problem. We know what happened during the pandemic. People from Maharashtra wanted to go back to Bihar and Orissa, and it was so difficult, right? Then the water scarcity, depletion of Marathi. We are all proud of our own mother tongue, our own language. But people in Maharashtra are hardly speaking in Marathi. People in Orissa are not using Odia. So what can be done to preserve the culture? Is it really essential? These are also important topics that can be taken for Nukkad Natak. Similarly, you can have more topics. This is about the infrastructure that is there, the general education, divergence from Odia identity, poverty that is there, rampant degradation of nature, and health infrastructure. Let's move ahead. I'll be a little fast for topics that are very easy and self-explanatory, right? So class 10 history, nationalism in India. Again, a beautiful topic. This is very easy, very comfortable, very beautiful, something that children will get involved in. Collecting and singing of patriotic songs and community songs. To make posters of the slogans used by Indian freedom fighters. One act play, stage play to know about the life and contribution of the leaders, the contemporary leaders, the kind of sacrifices they made. It will be beautiful. The tremendous amount of patriotism that can be developed is really unparalleled because of this art integration. Timeline wall magazine. Now let's come to the example of a timeline. I had told you this timeline has been made by me. I mean, the idea is mine, but my art teacher has helped me in drawing the pictures. So this is about Mahatma Gandhi. This is the example that I wanted to share with you. So what is a timeline? A timeline is you decide the number of years, or sometimes it can go to decades also. So what happened in the first 10 years, then the next 10 years? It could be about a country, it could be about a person, it could be about an organization. In this example, it is Mahatma Gandhi. This timeline talks about Mahatma Gandhi and his contribution to nationalism. So in 1915, Gandhiji returned from Africa to India, where he was thrown out of the train and he had his own experiences of apartheid that happened over there. Then 1916, he decided that he doesn't like injustice and he has to jump into something different and get people together on a common platform. So the first Satyagraha was held in 1916 at Champaran, Bihar, right? And then he went ahead to have many more Satyagrahas. So these are the striking events that took place, one in 1917, 1918. This kind of a timeline helps students to remember the incidents and events in a chronological order. Remember one more thing, the more the number of organs used for studying, the better is the retention and recall. So the visual aid is also there. They are going to draw this, they are going to paint it, they are going to write, the timeline is there, sequence is there. So this helps them to recollect better, the retention is better. Then the Rowlatt Act and 1920. This could have gone ahead to 1930 also. But this is just an example. Let's move ahead. Class 10 geography. Topic is agriculture. Study of vegetation and making a scrapbook. Having your own terrace. Ask children to have a terrace garden. Ask them to have a compost pit. Right? Nature corner. This is beautiful. See, especially during the vacation, children travel places. Ask them to get samples of different soil, samples of different rock, stones, pebbles, and then have a nature corner in the classroom. Let everybody see it, feel it, understand the color of the soil, the qualities of the soil. Why is it that Alfonso mangoes are grown only in Konkan? People tried to take the seeds of this mango to UK and to America and grow it over there, but it didn't happen. Why? Why did it not happen? Because of the laterite soil, because of the volcanic plateaus over there. It's the plateau, Konkan plateau. So I don't want to go deep into this. You are all geography teachers, history teachers, you know more. You can add to it, but children will enjoy this. Learning will happen and art integration will happen. Visit to a market and to perform a survey of the vegetation. So what are the vegetables available? What are the fruits? Are they seasonal? What is the requirement for that? How many crops can be taken in a year? Pictures can be clicked, videos can be shot, and this can be presented to the class with geographical perspective. Remember this. Now again, examples of Maharashtra and Odisha. You can take your own states, collect pictures and information of historically important monuments. Any one temple, any one monument, any one church, any one fort, all right, any one masjid or whatever, a famous monument like Charminar in Hyderabad or Red Fort in Delhi. And then you draw a picture of that monument or make a model and compare these two monuments. So you talk about architecture also. Then next, make a comparative study of the water body. Since the Arabian Sea is right next to Maharashtra and the Bay of Bengal is right adjacent to Odisha. So what is the similarity and what is the difference? Compare and contrast. Is it of any use economically? Can it be used for transport? Are things being exported from there? Right? And what is the strategic importance also? Who are the neighbors over there? So what role does the Navy play? And also talk about natural resources, means of transport, fishery activity. Then the Koli dance, folk dance over there, the staple food, tourism, etc. Now let's move ahead to history, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Now caricature, comic strip, and cartoon. These are three things which you need to explain to the students. And again, they enjoy it. The art form is there and history also is learned beautifully. So talk about caricature, let them draw the caricature of Adolf Hitler, for example, then brief history of the evolution of dance and let them perform a dance. Let them wear the contemporary costumes. Which were the kind, what was the kind of attire that was used in those days? Was there a hat? What were the accessories used, right? What was the jewelry used? What was the type of footwear that was there? So all that can be there, and songs for community singing. Now, next is class 9 geography. This time I have not paired it. You will see the difference. You can, like I said, only once you have to pair it, minimum once. You can do it more times, of course. So designing a tourism brochure, sketching from nature, model to understand topography. This is very, very good. Children will enjoy this. Either they can use plaster of Paris or soil or clay, and they can show landforms. This can be painted. This helps a lot for physical geography. Then adventurous activities like trekking, visit to hills, mountains, taking them close to nature, learning from nature, how nature beats adversity, how plants grow on the cliff or on the edge of a pipe or whatever. So these are things that they learn, and then clicking pictures, compiling these and putting them together. Political science. This is something children enjoy, especially class 9 and 10, class 8 also, in fact, really love this. You ask them, would you like to float a party of your own, a political party? And they usually say yes, especially the boys. These days, the girls also. So what would you like to name your party as? Draw a symbol of your party. Why did you choose this symbol? List 2 challenges that you anticipate when you float your party actually. You go out and you say, this is my party, and you say, this is the agenda. But then people will say, why this? Why not this? Why didn't you focus on education? What about water scarcity? Things like that. Next one. Now we are talking about economics, because the last time I took this session, there were no examples for economics, and then they asked me why no examples. So you are very lucky this time I have it. Trace the history of money and how various forms were used at different times. Draw the picture of an American dollar or euro dollar and a 2000 Indian rupee note. What is the difference? What are the pictures? What is it? What is the promise mentioned over there? What is the reason? Everything, the kind of metal that is used for coins, the paper that is used for notes, the denomination, everything can be learned through this art integration plus economics. And list the similarities, differences, present this in the class. Moving ahead, interview of a self-help group leader to know their modus operandi. How can these uneducated, illiterate people get together and earn money? Isn't it beautiful? They are doing it. So what is the modus operandi? Can it still be improved? If yes, perform a SWOT analysis and find out. Give them ideas, have expert lectures, conduct a brainstorming session to get inputs for areas of improvement and make a chart of the same. Now we move ahead to chapter 4, globalization. Example of art debate. Make in India versus cheap products. Now, this year in Diwali, we know that we banned the products of a particular country. Let's not get into names. But so I generally said, make in India versus cheap products. This is a topic for debate. Globalization, is it a boon or a bane? Let them talk about all this. So they will talk about the economy, the economics, the globalization, everything. Ask them to make advertisements to attract buyers for products like tire, chocolate. Now you can even add COVID mask and sanitizer. Mobile phone, something they love and they use these days. List down 3 lead brands of ready-mades produced by MNCs. Our children are very fond of knowing what is in vogue. They will know names like Raymond's, they will know names like Levi's. So why is it that these are so popular? Draw one of these, picture of one of these ready-mades, and interview 2 consumers to find why these brands are so popular or not so popular. Prepare a questionnaire for this, prepare a rating scale for this, prepare a flyer or brochure to attract more foreign investment in India. And if this really happens, will there be advantages or disadvantages, and what are the list these? I think I need to be a little more fast. Chapter 5 is about consumer rights. Write and enact a street play to create awareness about consumer rights. Make a timeline to depict the journey of consumer movement, at various points of time, how this movement went ahead in India. Make a timeline. Now you know what a timeline is. Find articles in print media about consumers being duped and how the consumer code played a vital role. Make a case study and present this in the class and discuss it in the class. Now this is a little repetitive. We are going back to pairing of states. So you can, this is one more idea. Talk about the wildlife sanctuaries in Orissa and Maharashtra. Talk about the animals which are extinct. See, migratory birds is a very beautiful topic, very interesting topic. It talks about geography, geographical features, and it talks about flora and fauna also. Next. French Revolution. These are the 3 things that I mentioned: caricature, comic strip, and comic. I had said cartoons, in fact. So what is the difference, or is it the same, and how it can be used for teaching, especially history? Now I'm coming to class 5. Again, we'll remember class 5, what happens is it's a transdisciplinary project. See how beautifully this is integrated. I'll go a bit fast because it's easy. The topic is Earth. How will you integrate this with English? See, example, an alien lands on planet Earth, complete the story. Children enjoy this. Class 5 students will love to write this. An alien lands on Earth. So they will talk about Hrithik Roshan's movie. Which is that movie? Can someone help me? Hrithik Roshan's movie, Jadoo. Do you remember that Jadoo?
Koi Mil Gaya.
Yes,
Koi
yes,
Mil Gaya.
yes.
Koi Mil Gaya.
Yes, exactly.
Koi Mil Gaya.
So the children have watched these movies, so they like to add. Or the other way around, dash, 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 and the alien said goodbye to the students. You say, your class student, you have to say, children, the alien is saying goodbye to you, and then he is getting into the flying saucer. But before that, what all happened? Children will write the story. Now, mathematics. Record the time of sunrise and sunset in your city for 1 week and make a graph representing the same. Or conversion of time, hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, and so on. English, science. Perform an experiment to show how rotation and revolution take place. Why do mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders while climbing mountains? And divers also carry it while diving into oceans. So this is a science topic. Geography, find out the origin of the Earth, name the planets, papier-mâché. Make the model of Earth using papier-mâché. I'm sure you know what is papier-mâché. Your art teacher will help you with this. Now another topic for class 3 and 4, another of my favorite topics. You'll love this one also, wheel. See how interesting it can be. So what do you do in English? Ask the children to list the words and phrases that have the word wheel. For example, water wheel, pinwheel, wheelchair, wheelbarrow. See how the vocabulary will increase. Then compose a poem on wheel and illustrate it. The topic is wheel, so you compose a poem and you also draw a picture for it, or create an anthology. That means the collection of poems or short stories that have something to do with the wheel. Okay, so it's very interesting. And in the bargain, they will learn everything about the wheel. How do you integrate this with mathematics? Speed and time. So Does speed and time depend on the size of the wheel, the type of the wheel? Ask them to find out and then teach them the formula. Matthew sir is the mathematics teacher. I'm not a mathematics person, but mathematics teachers will know more. Then diameter, radius, circumference, and the wheel used by a potter. So what is the size? How many times does he rotate it and things like this? History, story of the wheel, evolution of wheel. Ask them to make a project, best out of waste. Science, types of wheels. So metal wheels, wooden wheels, and things like that, and make models. Moving ahead to the next topic, festivals. Again, another beautiful topic that lends itself so well. English integration. Write an email to your cousin. Now I'm saying email because these days everybody is online. Now they know what is an email. Schools have been sending invites through emails. Schools have been collecting the papers through email. So now they know it, right? So I'm not saying it could be letter, but I've used the word email. Send an email to your cousin, inviting him or her to your house for a festival, or prepare an invitation for your friends to invite them for a festival. Now for mathematics, make a budget for the festival. Now compare it with the budget of other month. So when you are celebrating Christmas or Diwali or Eid or whatever festival, that month, is the budget same as the other months? No. Why is it different? What is the difference? Where did the expense increase? Was it clothes? Was it grocery? They will study all that. Rangoli, if it could be a geometric design, proportion of ingredients used in the recipes, shapes. So shapes, they talk about the rhombus. I don't know how many of you are aware of the local words. Here we have the recipes, the savory like karanji, chakli, shankarpali. I don't know whether you are aware, peda, barfi. So now they will learn about rhombus, they will learn about square, rectangle, round, all this. The other day I had a guest in my house who didn't know the Maharashtrian dish. So he said, something that looks like a D, you all prepare it. It is sweet and it looks like a D. And then I got, it means karanji. We call it as karanji. I don't know whether you are, next time I'll try to put a picture here. Bhujia and things like that. Next. Science. Find the correlation between festivals and
Hindi, it
seasons.
is Gujia, ma'am.
Okay, Gujia. Sorry, ma'am. I didn't know the word. Thank you so much. Thank you. So let's move ahead to science. Same topic, festivals. Find the correlation between, are festivals related to seasons? Yes, they definitely are. Many times children are not aware. So draw your favorite festival, make a model of your favorite dish, or prepare the favorite dish. If it is fireless cooking with adult supervision, they can even do that and mention the nutritional value. Social science, trace the history of the festival, why and how it is celebrated. Enlist the harvest festivals. Do we know that every state and union territory in India has a harvest festival? And maybe teachers know, but not students. So which are the festivals? Let them find out. Baisakhi, Lohri, Holi, so many of them. And then which are the dances? How are the festivals celebrated? Dance related festivals. Now, again, this topic can be, depending on the level. Class 1, the activities will be simple, and then the difficulty level can increase towards class 5. Seasons. So English, word maze. Ask them to make a word maze where all the, for example, words like summer, monsoon, winter, spring, autumn, and then rain, things like that. Heat. Okay, word maze. Crossword puzzle, seasonal vocabulary. Do you have a seasonal vocabulary? You ask them, list down the words that are used especially during the rainy season. So they will write raincoat, gumboots, frogs, snails, slugs, isn't it? So the attire changes, the food changes, and also the accessories change, the weather changes. So they can, all this can be depicted. Write a dialogue between different seasons. So if the summer season has to have a dialogue with winter, what will he say? What will it say? How will winter reply? Children will enjoy this. Or you can even ask children to enact. Then mathematics, conversion, measuring units for weather data, Celsius, Fahrenheit, millimeters, etc. Science, season related diseases and remedies. What are the problems or the illnesses that crop up during the summer season, winter season, monsoon? And then what are dadi ke nuske? These days everybody said that Indians are having herd immunity. We could sustain in the pandemic period also. We could beat the adversity. Why? Because we use something called as concoction. What is this concoction? Dadi ke nuske. Isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? So the discussion can go on long, but I have time limitation. Mathematics, talk about relation between seasons and crops. Rabi, Kharif, make a web to depict seasonal food, clothes, travel plans. Next. This is just an example of, sorry, this is not an example. This slide talks about the internal assessment. There are 20 marks in all, we all know, out of which 10 are for periodic assessment, 5 for the pen and paper test, and 5 for multiple strategies that we use for assessment. Now, why am I showing this to you? For class 9 and 10, the last one, subject enrichment activity, that one is your AIL project. And for class 1 to 8, it can be your multiple assessment strategy also, right? So class 1 to 5, you have that liberty. Let's see the next slide. These are examples. See, this is example of art integration. This is the one my children of my school have done. So the first one that you see, shells and conches have been used to make a photo frame. All right. So they are learning about shells and conches also. What is this? Why is it found? Which animal lives in it? The hermit crab, for example. Has it got anything to do with the size and things? Then the other one, you can see best of waste. The photo frame, which you can see on top also, is made out of paper. They are paper rolls, and then it is painted brown to give it a wooden look. And the other one is an organizer, which is again made out of waste. Next. These are again seals made out of clay and plaster of Paris. All this is done by the children of our school. So I'm just showing some examples to you. You can see a pharaoh over there. Next. This is directly from the lesson, so we'll not waste time. Next. So this is typography. This is a type of art where one of the letters depicts the meaning of the word. And these are all geographical words, geographical terms. River, mouse, mountains, snake, tree. Now that's the example of a cartoon. We all know who this is, right? Can you identify? Who is this?
Mr. Modi.
Mr. Modi.
Thank you. Thank
Mr.
you.
Modi. Narendra Modi.
Boston Tea Party.
CGPM.
So yes, yes, yes. Now, these are few examples of what can be used as resources for art integrated learning. Old magazines, reflection cards, cartons, boxes, used pens, wire, thread, beads, etc. Now, this activity is for you. You may do it afterwards since we don't have time. Select the class, subject, and topic of your choice. Now, subject will be social sciences, since you are all social science teachers, I believe. Mention an activity to integrate arts with the selected topic. Select a topic also, and then an activity, and do this. Write it on paper. Now, this is your homework, your assignment. Last time I had done it live, but now we don't have the time for it. Now, these are a few FAQs. You could just simply click pictures. And like I said right in the beginning, Matthew sir is there, who is the encyclopedia and very approachable. I really don't know how he finds time, same 24 hours for all of us, but he's right there to answer all the questions. So these are just some of the questions that usually crop up with the answers. I think I am done with the examples, Matthew sir, and I think I have kept time also.
Absolutely, ma'am.
I'm
Thank you
not
so
getting
much.
into uploading and things.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
That was such an amazing session. I mean, words are not enough to express the amount of examples that you have given. It was very, very original. And I think that this is one of the best AIL sessions that I've attended.
Yes,
very
sir, no
nice.
doubt.
Yeah, and in such a short time, actually, you know, this is also very important that she covered such a lot of stuff in such a short time, and she did not keep it something. And this is this resource material, you know, ma'am must have taken so many months to collect this, but in just 1 hour, she, you know, gave those. And as she said, these are original ideas, and it's very difficult to make original ideas. That's where, you know, where we have to rack our brains. So ma'am has given so much of her time. So first of all, a big thank you, ma'am, Mridula ma'am. And this is just the beginning, I hope, and you are going to spare your valuable time for us. And she's a multifaceted personality. So you have seen her taking an art integrated learning session, but I'm sure her other sessions are also going to be equally interesting, better, and I'm very, very eager. And I'm sure the others who are attending will also be very eager to attend this. So on this note, a big thank you, ma'am, for sparing your valuable time. Thank you for all the participants. We had almost 50 participants attending. Nobody left from the beginning to end. We had 50 people right there attending, which showed that this is
Extremely thankful for the patience.
Sir, we want to listen to her more,
It
sir.
is
We want to
very
listen.
interesting,
we
sir.
all want to
Very
listen,
interesting.
but
We need
ma'am has
more
got
time.
limitations of
Yeah.
time. Ma'am is a resource person for many
Yeah.
organizations.
It
She's
is
the
really
principal of a
helping,
school.
sir.
It is always good to listen to
This
people who
Next
have
time
got
is very
knowledge.
much helpful.
Yeah, but the
Thank you,
problem
ma'am.
is
Thank you for the
people
appreciation.
Sir, I have a
have their
very
own commitments.
small one.
So we are
Ma'am,
grateful that
looking
she has
forward
given a
for more
commitment of
such
this 1
workshops
hour.
from you. We are ready for that.
Sure,
Thank
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir,
Thank
for
you. Thank you
arranging
so much,
such a
ma'am.
very
Thank you so much,
beautiful
sir.
and
Thank you, ma'am.
wonderful
It was
workshop.
very
Thank you
excellent.
very
Small
much, sir.
query, sir.
It was
Small
very
query.
fruitful.
Yes,
Matthew,
absolutely.
sir, on
Thank
this
you. Thank
note,
you so much. And the
on this
recording will
note,
be
it was-
available to you.
It
And
could happen only because Matthew sir has created this beautiful platform. It's all because of
yes,
him.
Yes.
So
Yes,
salute to
sir.
you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you so much,
Very
sir.
well from
Sir,
my
thank you
side.
so much, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am,
And the
one question I would like to answer, that how does Mr. Matthew find so much of time? We have
Exactly.
24 hours. Probably in a day, he is a maths teacher and he works out to be as 78 hours.
Yeah, so this is
In
a
a
very
day.
common
Oh
question.
my
So I had to take a session on time management to explain to everyone. That is on YouTube. You can watch it. The simple trick is don't watch TV and all
Sir,
these
a
stuff.
small query here.
Valuable
Is the pairing of the state remaining same? State pairing to remain the same? Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right now,
Yes.
Manual also. In fact, I will remind you that there are two things. Please check for the circular on expression series. Please see this circular, and one on 20th November. It's come on 20th November 2020. It is the latest circular based on AIL. Please take a look at these circulars. It will help. The manual is also there. New booklet.
To ask one thing, Dedala ma'am, that till primary section we are
20th
not
November
supposed to-
2020, there is a circular. Please check for some additions made in Annexure 2. Slight changes are there, not much.
Yeah, there was some last
Hello,
question.
ma'am.
One last question. Somebody was asking for about some primary. Some primary was asking something. Mic has to be on, please. If you want to ask, otherwise we'll call it a day. We'll
Can you
stop.
see this? Is this visible?
Yes, ma'am.
If this is visible, this is the one I'm talking about. All of you, please note this. This will be helpful.
It's not so visible, ma'am.
Not visible.
I'll read
Ma'am
it
will
for
send
you. I'll read it.
the send the photograph on the WhatsApp group. Ma'am, you can send the photograph.
Right,
now?
right, sir. That will be right. That will be right, sir.
Next year's pairing we'll have to see, ma'am. There is a question: will the pairing next year will be same or not? That we'll have to see next year.
Sir, I heard that it will be changed. I
Yes,
heard that it will be
every
changed
year new
because
notifications
then
are
only we
coming.
will get to know about others.
Yeah, we'll have to update ourselves
should
on
be
the
changed.
CBSE website. So thank you, Mridula ma'am. I think we'll stop, and thank you for your precious time, and thank you, dear participants.
Thank you, all of
So
you.
please stay in the group till we complete all the formalities, the recording and everything, and certificate everything. So Mridula ma'am, once again, thank you with folded hands for your time, and what
Sir,
a
my
wonderful
pleasure,
session.
sir, my
Thank you.
pleasure.
Thank you so much, everyone.